I wanted to show you guys this awesome product that I've been using now, and I'm actually going to be gifting to someone for Christmas. This tool here helps those of us who have long, so I love that about this. Like I said, for me, with my long nails, I have a hard time lifting these because I honestly don't want to break a nail. They're too expensive. I picked up this one to give to my mom. She has neuropathy in her fingers, meaning that she can't feel her fingertips. So this is going to be amazing for her because she always has to ask one of us for help when she's opening up a can. Nails, those of us who maybe have some difficulty using our fingers, things like that, it helps us to open up cans. I'm going to show you here. First of all, actually, let me just show you how cute these are. So these ones are a little kitty cat design. I got this one in pink. It also has a clip that you can clip right onto your keychain or whatever else you would carry around with you. I'm going to show you here with this soda can. So all you do is there's a little slot here. You put it right in to the tab. It opens right up. Now you can also flip it around so that that hole is covered up so that no bugs, dust, dirt, anything gross gets in there. It's also amazing because now I know that this is my drink. This isn't Sally's drink. This isn't Susie's drink. This is my drink.